Hey, this is Logan Saunders with Proactive Power Washing here in Greenville, South Carolina. Today we're in a commercial office park where they are getting ready to come in and seal coat this asphalt. They're going to cover the whole parking area and driveway here. And so to prepare for that, they've called us in to clean up the sidewalks and the curbing and the gutter. So that's going to be a two-step process. The first thing that we're going to do is come in with pressure and we're going to clean all the concrete off, get a good chemical wash, and just get all the dirt and debris off the sidewalk and gutter and curb. And for our second step, we're going to come back with a specific chemical treatment to treat the rust that's coming from the irrigation lines and the clay-heavy soil that's around the area that's also causing staining on all of our concrete. So we come through and cover it all with that chemical just to remove that clay and iron deposits from the irrigation lines, to clean that up, make sure everything looks great when they're ready to seal coat this asphalt. So this is a process that we do pretty routinely for office buildings and office parks like this. Coming in, cleaning up the sidewalks, the curbing and the gutter, just to make the entranceway a lot more inviting for office employees and customers alike. But it's not all we do. We do a whole range of services for office buildings and office parks. Everything from roof cleaning to a house wash, cleaning the gutters on the actual buildings. If you're a building owner or property manager in the upstate of South Carolina, we have a full range of exterior cleaning services. Please give us a call so we can discuss your specific needs.